Hello, welcome back to a new video here. Here we're doing AP Calculus AB 1.5 determine limits using algebraic properties of limits. So here we have the set rules for the limits properties, or the property rules, if you might say. Here you can look at them. They're self-explanatory, majority of it. If it doesn't make sense, just leave a comment. I'll have a full explanation or just make a video separately on these properties. But yes, it's just basically you have a constant multiplying by the limit and the limit getting powered to and a limit being subtracted or added or a limit multiplied by another limit with another function. I'll give you the limit of those composite functions. Wrong word, I'm pretty sure, but yes, we'll give you. Well, I think it is right. Well, right. And here you have a division occurring with two limits, which two limits with separate functions. So yeah, and g of x cannot be zero because that is undefined. And here, pause the video and give it a try if it makes sense. If not, keep watching. So here we have the evaluation for each functions to the respect of their own limits, or to the respect of the limit of f of x as x approaches 3. Okay, so here it is simple. We have 7 times 5. The reason why, or 35, the reason why is 7 times the limit. Oh, that's a horrendous limit. Let me redo it again. Limit as x approaches 3 of f of x will equal to 5, which is the same thing as this. Let's continue. Continuing, starting on the next one. Okay, sorry, just don't want to mess up this line when I erase stuff. Okay, so here we have g of x, so g of x divided by f of x, which both of these have their limits, which are shown here above. G of x is 4 divided by 5 minus this here is its own separate function, so it's going to be 9 plus 5. If we want to simplify this even further, we have to multiply, well, we have to divide it. Multiply and divide by 5 by each constant. So here we have, besides this one, because we want the desired of 5 as our denominator, 45 over 5 plus 25 over 5. This will give us 41, negative 41 over 5 plus 25 over 5, which would equal to negative 16 over 5. Here I have more practice problems, so if you want to try, give it a pause and I'll, I'll be checking them. Here I accidentally repeated the previous one, which not repeated, but repeated in the same time. But here we have 7 times 5. Each one has their limits respectively. As x approaches 3, 4, rewrite that 4 of x equal to 7. That looks like an epsilon, not a delta. 7 times g of x, the limit of this x equals 4 of g of x will equal to 5, which is the same thing as 7 times 5, which is equal to 35. And here we have another expression. F of x is the limit is 4 as x approaches 4 will be equal to 7 and g of x function will be 5 times 4. If you want to simplify it even further, we have to have a 1 underneath the 4 to, oh, you don't have to, but it just makes it easier to visualize. But this will equal to 28 over 5. This can be simplified even further, but this is alright. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.